Well, this sucks. I cooked my rice, and then I put it on the stove when the stove was on in my Pyrex, and without realizing, because I was out and about in the house doing stuff, and now my Pyrex exploded. Now I gotta go buy another one. Oh my goodness gracious. My beautiful Pyrex. My beautiful Pyrex. No! Damn it. With my cayenne rice. Damn. Well, Pyrex dish, I'm gonna miss you. We created lots and lots of wonderful dishes together. And now you have exploded. So rest in peace, my dear Pyrex friend. I'll see you when I get there. See you when I get there. See you when I get there. Another one. It's so hard to say goodbye to my friend. Okay, that's enough of that. Later.